Welcome everybody to Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. I'm the teacher. I live in Cambridge in England. The subject of this lesson is a little bit rude, not completely rude like some lessons I did before, but the word is a little rude. So if you're not interested in that, please stop watching now. Are you here? Are you ready? Very good. Here we go. Please turn on subtitles or captions to read my words on YouTube. You might understand more. The word is bitch. Bitch. There are many meanings of this word, some good, some bad. I will explain. First of all, most important, pronunciation. The sound is short. Please listen. Bitch. I. Bitch. It is different to beach, the holiday place with lots of sound. This one is long. E. Beach. The rude one? Bitch. The holiday place? Beach. An old meaning of this word, bitch, is not rude. It means a female dog, or a dog that is female, a bitch. Now we start to get ruder. It can be a word for a complaint. I like a good bitch about my job. This is not about a dog or a person. It's about the complaint, the thing. I like a good bitch about my job. I like to complain about my job. Now the rude one. It's slang. It refers to a woman who is unkind or unpleasant. So it's a woman that is not nice. And it's rude, so please don't use it anyway. But some people can call women a bitch or bitches. Remember, it is rude, so please don't use it. I'm just explaining it. There is a very popular expression in the United States, I believe. It's not very popular in the UK to call someone son of a bitch. That would be directed at a male and is offensive to their family, I believe. Son of a bitch. To call someone a bitch is rude, and it's a woman who is unkind and unpleasant. It is nothing to do with sex. For example, how much sex they have. That is not the meaning of bitch. There are other words to describe that. Again, please don't use them. But if you do say bitch about a person, at least be correct. It's because they're not nice. It's not to do with something to do with sex. We can use this word in the rude way in other forms as part of a verb phrase. To bitch about someone. This is when you say bad things about them when they are not there. To have a good bitch about someone. This time it's in a verb phrase. Now, I'm always bitching about someone. And the adjective to describe someone like this, bitchy. Some people are bitchy if they always say bad things about others when they are not there. Bitch. To bitch about someone, bitchy. Remember, please don't use this word. I might have explained how to use it many times, but please don't use it anyway. It's a little bit rude, but it's not the rudest word. My name is Chris. If you're not too offended, please join me on the British English page on Facebook, on Learn British English Free on YouTube here, on my website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, or you could even have lessons with me on Skype. The details are on the YouTube page for this video in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.